I'm out of the wilds here at Long Creek Homestead, and we have got tons of elderberries. We grow about 12 different cultivars here, almost all American. The one exception is this hybrid called Marge. It is the definitive winner for us, both in the vigor of the plant and the amazing productivity, the size of the berry. Typically speaking, in the mid-Atlantic and in the Midwest, the European elderberries don't prosper. They're not coming through in full fruit. They're getting funked out. I don't know if it's the hot summers that does it for it, too much disease pressure. So typically we grow only Americans. But Marge is mostly European. You can tell by this huge, large berry that it has. It is an open seedling that came from Austria, brought over to Kansas to Wildwood Cellars Winery, which then open pollinated it with other Americans and came up with this amazing stable cultivar. So American elderberries, this character is Bob Gordon, good old Bob here, is a great example of a select American cultivar out of Missouri. So the University of Missouri and Missouri State University both run research programs on elderberries. And Bob's one of their favored ones because it's so sweet and also has the characteristics of hanging upside down, so it's less likely to get hit by the birds. That said, we have a ton of birds here and there's so many elderberries. You know, we're getting all that we need. You know, I'm having troubles figuring out what to do with all this stuff. I've been making tons of wine, tons of mead, tons of syrups, you know, and I'm running out of freezer space. And that's only from, you know, maybe like 20 different shrubs. So definitely recommend, you know, the elderberry. I'm really impressed with Marge. The plants grow so fast, all the elderberries, you know, within 2 years you're getting harvests, you know, and the plants are growing easily 10 foot. It's phenomenal. Productive, super medicinal, super beautiful. You can use the flowers as well. Can't say enough about it. I do need my freezer space though, because it's almost pawpaw season. Love these guys. Such a lonely